So if you've been looking for a place to eat lately, you know the game has completely changed. I mean, you don't just get those 10 blue links anymore.
Not at all. You get an AI overview or you ask ChatGPT and it just tells you where to go.
Exactly. You're just looking for lunch. And for a restaurant to win, its digital footprint has to be so perfect that the AI just picks them.
That's the core of it. We're diving into source material on a really high-stakes industry, restaurants, and dining. The mission today is unpacking what's called strategic digital dominance.
How establishments stay visible. Yeah.
Right, how they stay visible not just on Google, but across this whole new conversational AI landscape. We're talking ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, Grok.
A whole suite.
The whole suite. And for a restaurant owner, visibility is revenue. It doesn't matter if you're a Michelin-starred spot or a late-night taco joint.
Okay, let's unpack that because the sources bring up a few new acronyms that all sound kind of related. What's the fundamental difference between these new types of SEO?
It's fascinating. Success here seems to require balancing three specialized layers. First up, you have AI SEO.
Okay.
This is all about using machine learning and natural language processing to boost a restaurant's discoverability within those new AI-influenced search environments.
So AI SEO is about being friendly to the Google algorithm, which is now, powered by AI. But that's different from optimizing for the conversational bots themselves, isn't it?
Precisely. And that brings us to layer two, LLM SEO. That's large language model SEO.
Right.
This is optimizing your content specifically for those conversational platforms. You're crafting your data so that when a diner asks ChatGPT, where can I get a great celebratory dinner, the LLM pulls your restaurant brand right into its answer.
So the AI has to know your menu, your atmosphere, everything.
Inside and out. And that leads to the foundation for all of it, semantic SEO.
This one sounds the most technical.
It is the bedrock. Semantic SEO is all about strengthening contextual relevance. It uses things like schema markup and structured data. It's entity-based optimization, really. It tells the AI exactly what you are.
So instead of just pizza place.
You're a thin-crust, Neapolitan, family dining restaurant with vegan options. Without that detail, the AI just can't recommend you accurately.
So we have the strategies defined, but how does this actually help the bottom line for, say, a huge restaurant group with hundreds of locations?
This is where it all comes back to trust. By aligning all these signals, they are strengthening what we call EEAT.
Expertise, experience, authoritativeness, and trust.
Exactly. And in the dining world, EET basically translates to, does the AI trust this restaurant to give a good experience?
And not, give the customer food poisoning.
Right. The outcome is more online orders and better local discovery, but trust is the mechanism that makes it happen.
And what we found in the data is this isn't just for high-end spots. It's for quick service restaurants, takeaway joints, family places, late-night concepts.
Every single segment needs this. Absolutely. Yeah. And if you look at the actual tactics, it starts with technical SEO.
Okay, the basics.
Kind of. It's making sure the website is AI ready with clean schema markup for every single menu item in every location. But that ties directly into reputation management.
There feels critical. If EET is about trust, then reviews have to be the fuel.
They are the fuel. You have to be proactive about getting reviews and then constantly monitoring that diner feedback. That's a real-time trust signal. It's way more powerful than a perfect meta description ever was.
And what underpins all that?
Sophisticated local SEO. Optimizing map listings, tracking calls, direction requests, orders placed right from the map app, all those vital actions.
Here's where it gets really interesting in the sources. The business model itself. For these huge multi-location groups to manage this incredibly granular work.
It's almost impossible to do in-house.
Right. The source highlights outsourcing this to offshore partners with that global experience, USA, UK, Australia, as the only scalable way to grow.
To kind of synthesize the core insight, the finding is clear. Restaurants that fail to align AI SEO, LLM SEO, and semantic relevance, they risk just vanishing from the modern search environment.
It's not just that visibility equals revenue anymore.
Invisibility equals obsolescence.
And that's really the key takeaway for you, the listener. I mean, the sources we looked at listed dozens of these hyper-niche services, things like A&P SEO, CRO optimization, Klaviyo automation experts. It makes you think, how many specialized digital services exist today that you didn't even know you needed? And how quickly will today's cutting-edge AI SEO just become standard technical SEO? Something to chew on the next time you ask an AI where to get dinner.